Students will study all past tenses today. We won't be able to cover them in detail, but we'll try to cover them as by detail as possible. Clear? Past simple, that is used for completed actions in the past. For example, I visited my friends yesterday. So this action is completed in the past. What is the structure? Subject plus second form. Subject plus second form of the verb. Use of did not for negative sentences. We use did not and the use of first form. With did not we use the first form. We use second form in past tense, past simple and first form. When it is simple sentence, which form do we use? Second. When it is negative sentence, when interrogative, when interrogative,
first.
Did plus first form. Did in the beginning and then first form. Clear? He went to college. This is the second form. Clear? He did not go to college. Did he go to college?
No.
He did not go to college. Did he go to college? Clear? This is the structure of past simple. Clear? So, actions with the time. So, it is also used for specific time actions. I played football last Sunday. So, that is specific. Last Sunday is a specific time. Okay? So, we also use it for specific time. We also use it for past habits. When I was a child, I played hockey every day. When I was a child, I played. This is the past indefinite. Clear? When I was a child, I played hockey every day. So that is for past habits. We also use it for past habits. Clear? Specific time action, past habits. 3 uses. Clear? How many forms used? First form
And second form.
and second form. And first form is used in simple sentences.
No. Interrogative.
Negative. First form is used in negative and interrogative. Clear? I just want to cross test you. Verify your information. Clear? Continuous tense. We use it for parallel actions. Clear? For parallel actions, there are parallel actions when I enter the class and when I am working on the board. There are parallel actions. While I was writing, my students were talking. Parallel actions. Clear? You know that? You know very well. When I was writing on the board,
We are talking.
my students were talking. That's the best chance to talk to each other. Clear? So that is used for parallel actions. While we were studying, some people were playing outside. Parallel actions. Clear? So subject plus was verb plus ing forms that are pushed open the door. Clear? So it is action is interrupted. Clear? While I was teaching, a student thrust open the door. Clear? Past perfect. So simple sentences. He was going to college. She was going to college. We were going to college. They were going to college. They were going to college. Aslam and Akram were going to college. I was going to college. And negative. After was and were we use not. I was not going to college. We were not going to college. They were not going to college. That's it. Okay. So were we going to college? Going to college? Was we going to? Was she going to college? Was he going to college? That we use it for past experiences. She had visited London before 2020. That is past experience. That is her past experience. Clear? So it is the structure. Subject plus head plus third form of the verb. That is the structure of past perfect. And sometimes we also use it for the action that happened before another action. Our work we had done, that is distant past. Before the bell rang, we had completed our work before the bell rang. So before the bell is near past. Before the bell rang, that is simple past. This is past perfect. We join past perfect and simple past to make another structure. Clear? So usually, most of the times, this past perfect is used this way. Clear? So next one is, she had done her work, he had done her work, his work, they had done their work. After had we use not for negative and we put had in the beginning for interrogative. They had not done their work, we had not done our work, she had not done her work, I had not done my work. Clear? That is negative. And then had I done my work, had she done her work, had they done their work. Clear? Then there is past perfect continuous tense. It is used for actions continued in the past. Past perfect continuous tense for used for actions continued in the past. This is the structure. Subject plus had been plus ing form plus since or past. Clear? It had been raining since morning. It had been raining
Since morning.
since morning. Clear? And I had been studying or I had been teaching for 15 minutes or for 10 minutes. I had been teaching for 10 minutes. We had been listening our teacher
For
since 12 or since 11:45. Since 11:45. Clear? So we use since or part and use of ing form had been plus subject plus had been plus since or plus ing form plus since or part. Clear? That is the structure. Okay? Now you are supposed to write 5 sentences each.
okay.
Change them into first simple, then negative, then interrogative. Mean for this 15 sentences, for this 15, for this 15, for this 15. 15 plus 15 plus 15 becomes 60 sentences only.
Only?
Only 60 sentences. Okay?
Only.
That's what it is.
On Monday?
Yes, make an assignment for practice. Start making it right now. I'm giving you time. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.